X-axis, the horizontal number line in a Cartesian coordinate graph. A number line is a line continuing in both directions with a zero in the middle, positive numbers to the right and negative numbers to the left. When number lines are first taught in math classes, the line is horizontal, that is, left to right in orientation. Soon after learning the word horizontal, we learn vertical, which is up and down. At some point, we apply the vertical orientation to a number line, and we have named that vertical number line the y-axis. Together, the x-axis, which is the horizontal number line, and the y-axis, which is the vertical number line, crossing each other at their zero marks, which is called the, quote, origin, end quote, we have created what is called the Cartesian Coordinate System, and it allows a point to be plotted in two dimensions, parentheses, horizontal and vertical, end parentheses. By plotting two or more points, we can create a two-dimensional graph or an illustration of various sets of numbers, which we have named the domain and range. The domain is the set of x values of a graph, and the range is the set of y values of a graph. Basically speaking, we can graph lines, curves, and two-dimensional shapes like squares, rectangles, triangles, and circles. The x-axis is the horizontal number line of the Cartesian Coordinate Graphing System. Antonyms: y-axis, related words, number line, points, plotting points, domain, range, graph.